Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Keto and the Chaos. My name is Tammy, and this is an episode of What to Eat Wednesday. It's not Wednesday. I'm sure it's not Wednesday. This video is so far behind, I can't even believe how behind it is. I don't even know what day this is because I am overwhelmed. But I have some videos I want to get out and share with you guys, and I have been recording everything that I eat, so I want you to see how I have been doing. So here is my What to Eat Wednesday video from I don't know what week. Good Wednesday morning, YouTube. This is going to be my first meal of the day. It is about 1:30-ish in the afternoon, and I am having 227 grams of 0% Fage Greek yogurt sweetened with Mio Vitamins Orange Vanilla, and 45 grams of center cut bacon, 1 ounce of provolone cheese, 2 fried eggs, and that is going to be my first meal of the day. Alright, I had to make my own dinner tonight, and this is what I came up with. I have about 1.5 cups of spaghetti squash, not zucchini, sorry. I was going to do zucchini, changed my mind. And then I put on top of that 1/2 cup of ragu Alfredo sauce, 1 ounce of 1/3 less fat cream cheese, 2 ounces of cheddar cheese, and then on top I have 6 ounces of chicken breast that I cooked up in a little bit of olive oil, and that's going to be my last meal of the day. Okay, I decided to keep it simple for my breakfast today at Commonwealth School. I didn't want to wait in line for the microwave, which I have to every week. So I just went for 2 boiled eggs, 1 ounce of provolone cheese, 60 grams of bacon, and 227 grams of Fage 0% Greek yogurt sweetened with lemon lime Mio, and a Diet Pepsi. And that is going to be my first meal of the day. Alrighty, dinner tonight is my good old favorite. 1.5 cups of zucchini noodles, 8 ounces of chicken breast, 1/2 cup of ragu Alfredo sauce, and 2 ounces of provolone cheese. And that's going to be my last meal of the day. Alrighty, it's at 1 o'clock on Friday Fun Day, and I just finished up folding all the laundry, well, the laundry that I've gotten washed, and this is going to be my first meal of the day. 40 grams of center cut bacon, 2 fried eggs, 1 ounce of cheddar cheese, 227 grams of 0% Fage Greek yogurt sweetened with lemonade Mio, and that's going to be my first meal of the day. Okay, so we are at Chubby's, and this is going to be my burger. 2 patties, a slice of ham, slice of bacon, cheddar cheese, jalapeno jack cheese, and jalapenos, and a side salad with ranch dressing. Good morning, happy Saturday. I am having my same breakfast today, 2 fried eggs, 40 grams of center cut bacon, ounce of cheddar cheese, and 227 grams of Fage Greek yogurt, 0% fat with orange vanilla Mio, and that's going to be my last meal of the day. Alright, so Chef Dave is off at our church's priesthood meeting tonight, so I got McDonald's for the kids, and I got me a triple cheeseburger with onions and tomatoes and pickles from Five Guys, and that's going to be my last meal of the day. Okay, happy Easter everybody. This is going to be my breakfast because I don't want to eat too much fat or carbs for breakfast so that I can have them all for Easter dinner. So I have 6 ounces of chicken and 1 ounce of halloumi or bread cheese, something like that, and that's going to be my first meal today. And I'm sure everybody on YouTube wants to see our gorgeous table. Everybody say hi to YouTube. Hi. YouTube. And Grandma Deb, she decorated a table. And this is what I'm going to have for my meal. I just have a little bit of roast beef, some turkey, salad with ranch dressing, roasted cauliflower with cheddar cheese, and then dessert is coming up later. Alright, here's the cute little cheesecakes that my sister made. Those look awesome. I'm very excited to eat this. Alright, good Monday morning. It is about 1:30 in the afternoon, so I shouldn't say morning. I'm feeling a little bit groggy today. Got a little cold or something going on, but this is going to be my first meal of the day, and it's a little different today.
So I have down here pancakes that I made from 2 eggs and 1 egg white mixed with 1 ounce of cream cheese, a little bit of cinnamon, a little bit of vanilla, and a couple of squirts of liquid stevia. Then I've got 50 grams of center cut bacon, 60 grams of raspberries, 1 ounce of provolone cheese, and then this is 120 grams of Fage Greek yogurt, and also mixed up with 150 grams of Good Culture cottage cheese and sweetened with pomegranate berry meal. And that is going to be my first meal of the day. Tonight we are having leftover Easter roast beef and salad with ranch dressing. That's going to be my last meal of the day. Alright, I'm having my regular breakfast today. 40 grams of center cut bacon, 2 eggs, 227 grams of Fage Greek yogurt sweetened with lemonade meal, and 1 ounce of provolone cheese, and a cup of Creole brew with stevia and half. And that's going to be my first meal of the day. Okay, so tonight I am having a little bit of a taco salad. So I have 6 ounces of chicken breast, 2 ounces of cheddar cheese, 3 tablespoons of sour cream, a holy guacamole packet, and a little bit of ranch dressing, and some Hatch Valley salsa. And that's going to be my last meal of the day.
Well, I hope you enjoyed watching my crazy life and how I eat keto on the go and how I fit keto into our dance mom craziness. And I hope that you have gotten some help from this video, even if it's just to show you that you can keep going with keto when life gets crazy. So the type of keto that I do is a moderate fat, higher protein version of keto. And basically my macros are set to promote muscle retention as much as possible, and also to get rid of the fat. My whole goal using these macros is to eliminate the fat on my body and to retain my lean muscle mass. Now, like I said in my weigh-in, I have not been tracking very well, so a lot of this isn't exactly within my macros. Some of it I have overeaten. I'm sure you'll be able to tell when I have eaten more than what you think that would fit into the macros of 120 protein, 78 fat, and 20 or fewer carbs. But you know, I'm doing the best that I can right now. But if you'd like to learn more about how you can try a higher protein, moderate fat version of keto, all the information is available for 100% free on my Facebook page, Keto Chaos. Check the About section below for the link. And also, if you don't have a Facebook profile, you can email me at ketochaos@gmail.com and I will send you the macro chart and you can share it with whomever you want. There is no rules about sharing our macro chart outside the group. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe for more updates and future videos. My crazy life will be getting to be a little bit calmer soon, so I should be able to go back to my regular schedule hopefully soon. Sorry, I've also been a little bit sick this week. So I should be able to get back on schedule very soon, and there's going to be a lot of new content coming out. So please subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one, and I will keep on recording everything that I eat and keep on reporting back to you guys. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. We'll talk to you again soon.